You for having me today. My name is Angela May F. Drama and I recently graduated with a degree in computer science from Camarines Polytechnic College. During my time at university, I developed a strong foundation in software development, which I further honed through various internships and projects. For instance, I completed an internship at the ICT where I worked on developing a web application for project management, allowing me to gain hands-on experience in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Python. This experience not only strengthened my technical abilities but also improved my problem skills and my ability to work collaboratively in a team. So, in addition to my technical skills, I have a passion for continuous learning and staying updated with the latest industry trends. I pursued this interest through participating in hackathons, contributing to open source projects, and completing online courses on advanced programming and new technologies. These experiences have helped me develop a well-rounded skill set, including communication, leadership, and adaptability. I left my last job to pursue an opportunity that aligns more closely with my long-term career goals in software development. I was looking for a position that would allow me to leverage my skills in developing scalable applications and provide new tech challenges that would further my professional development. While I enjoyed my team at my previous company, I felt that moving on was the right step to advance my career and explore new possibilities. You should hire me because I bring a strong foundation in software development, practical experience. You should hire me because I bring a strong foundation in software development, practical experience from internships, and a commitment to continuous learning. I have expertise in programming languages like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Python, demonstrated through projects completed during my internships. I work effectively in team environments, communicate clearly, and adapt quickly to new challenges. I am enthusiastic about joining Innovative Solutions Corp and contributing to its success with my technical skills and passion for innovation.